In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Docusign account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Docusign, perhaps due to switching services or simply because you don't need it anymore, you've come to the right place. I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. To start, you'll want to head to the Docusign homepage. This can easily be accessed by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Docusign website URL. Once you're there, if you're not already logged into your account, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. After logging in, your main dashboard will appear. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page and find the admin panel. Clicking on this will take you to a new section where you can manage various aspects of your account. This is a crucial step as the ability to delete your account is tucked away within the admin settings. In the admin area, you want to look for the plan and billing section. This section is typically where you'd find all information related to your subscriptions and billing details. Clicking on Plan and Billing will bring up several options related to your current account plan. Next, you'll scroll through the plan and billing options until you see the option to close your account. This is an important choice, so be sure that you're ready to proceed. When you're certain, click on Close Account. Upon clicking Close Account, you may be prompted with a confirmation window. This is just to double check that you really want to go through with deleting your account. Confirm your choice if you're sure, keeping in mind that this action might be irreversible. Finally, you'll be prompted one last time to confirm the closure of your account. At this stage, make sure you've backed up any important documents or information, as this step finalizes the process. Once you proceed, your Docusign account will be permanently deleted, and that's all there is to it. Deleting a Docusign account involves these few steps within the web platform. Remember to have any important files saved and double-check your decision, as retrieving your account or documents post-deletion can be quite challenging. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you've got questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or check out our other guides for more information.